"Where is your karki?" What? I said, "Sorry, sir. I don't understand Afrikaans." "Where is your karki, And I looked at myself. I was wearing a trousers which was a silver gray. I said, "Why is he thinking I'm wearing a khaki trousers?" And I said, "No, I don't understand." I said, "Hey, ons vra waar is jou karkie?" And I said, "Sorry, sir." So I thought I should speak in Zulu. I said, "Angisazi isibhulu." Was I beaten up by a group? And I said, "What is this?" And he went back and posed the question for the second time. "Where is your karki?" I said, I looked around, I said, "Man, I was thinking, what have I done? Why? I mean, literally, karki I did not understand." So finally I was thinking, I was wearing an overcoat. There is something in my pocket which I was given at the reception. It was a card. So I took it out. As I took it out, he said, "My cover, my." This is a thing. I've never forgotten that Afrikaans word because it was an experience. But that is even better. I was alone in the cell. I was alone. So what is it? Then I was taken later to another cell to meet the other fellows sitting there. And we make noise. We talk. And with the word that was very sharp to say, "No noise, please, no noise." And finally, one day, because we were in a cell, a long cell, we were making noise. Whenever we hear the keys, we keep quiet. You wouldn't know which cell was making the noise. And finally, he had a plan. I had given him a name called Tangagana, the tractor, because he walked like this. And he pretended he was locking the doors, and he was not. He was just pushing the doors. So we were making noise. In the cell, there was only one person who knew Afrikaans. All of us did not know. One fellow came from Cape Town. I wondered why he does not know Afrikaans. His name was Russell Mbani. And the water was moving slowly. And he got to our door. And he opened slowly. And as he opened, we all jumped. He said, "Ja, wie mag rasiso, huh? Wie mag rasiso?" And this friend of ours, as we were standing, he said, "Yes, sir, I am Russell, sir." and the water said, "Frau, wie mag rasiso?" Says, "My name, sir, is Russell." "Yes, sir." And he realized this fellow does not understand. And he fought back. He said, "Ye money virasne, money virasne." And then as he closed the door, the fellow who knew Afrikaans just fell down with laughter. He nearly died. We said, "Why?" He says, "Man, the water is asking who is making noise. You are saying, 'I am noise.'" So don't worry if I speak I can't even say a word enough.